Hello, welcome back to my class. Today I'll continue to talk about finals. Last time I just talked about vowel standalone. And then today I will talk about vowel with final consonant. The first group is long A sound. Ah. So long A with I, then will become ah, e, ah, e, I, I. From big round lip shape to flat lip shape. I. And then long A with U, ah, oo, ah, oo. So from big round lip shape to small round lip shape. Ow, ow. And then long A with M. M is closed lips, so it is big round lip shape to closed lips. And then long A with N. N is closed teeth only. So from big round lip shape to closed teeth. And then long A with NG. Now, if NG as an initials, you can skip, no problem. But if NG as a final, you cannot skip it. You must have it, because if you skip it, it will become another character. So, keep round lip shape, open big mouth. And then when you pronounce then your tongue flat down, don't move. And then when you have NG, put your back part of your tongue up. So it is then move faster. Alright? And then last three is P, T, K. These three, we just have the lip shape and then we never pronounce it out. So it is silent. So long A with P. So up, right? Up. So P, close lips. But we silent P, become up, up. Alright? So don't say up. No. It's up, up. And then long A with T, same. We don't say t at the end. So don't say at. Just flat your lips at the end. Become at. Alright? And the last one is long A with K. K is open big mouth, right? So don't change your lip shape. Just keep open big, round. And then don't say no. It is Alright, so that's it for the long A group. Next time we will talk about the short A group. See you next time. Bye bye.